Here's the workbook module for as a man. So in that, if you're a man experiencing this, I would love for you to capture your stories from your perspective, whatever that's happening in your life with infertility journey. And make sure you capture with emotions as much as possible. If you're wondering for the list of emotions, I do have the core list of emotions listed here. And as a man, what are your current emotions? And the next thing you're going to do is, how are you coping up with it? What's your current coping mechanism? And I know in our lesson, we talked about what are the things that you should do and some of the things that you should avoid. So from your current coping mechanism, pick 3 things that you really don't care about, that you really wanted to change. And that's what you're going to capture here in the what and the how section. What are the 3 things, your current coping mechanism you want to change and how? And of course, accountability is always going to be huge. So when you are taking something like this, when you are committing to something like this, make sure that you have somebody who can be your accountability partner, who can help you get back in track when you're slipping away from some of these things. All right? And last but not the least, capture your top 2 takeaways from this module. Okay? I will see you in the module as a couple.